Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him have the rum and not the sorrow. Him have to drink away him sorrow. Guess him not care about tomorrow. I guess me not care about tomorrow. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him have the rum and not the sorrow. Guess him I drink away him sorrow. I guess him not care about tomorrow. I guess me not care about tomorrow. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. This is the look I'll be doing in today's video. If you're interested in how I achieve this, just continue watching. Hi guys, so we're going to start off by using some skincare spray, and this is the Mario Badescu skincare, and this is the lavender one. My next step is to go in with primers. I'll be using 2 primers today. The Benefit Professional, this is a sample size I got in my GLAM bag, and the Daily Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is the Professional. I'm just going to put that where I have larger pores, and then I'm going to go in with the Baby Skin. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation, and this is in the shade Coffee. I like this foundation. It's just the illuminating factor of it I'm not really a fan of yet, but I'm getting there. I prefer my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, which is weird because that's a glowy foundation, but that looks natural, like that looks radiant. But this just looks greasy almost. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Going to then go into contouring, and for contour I'm using my usual concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Can we just pause for a second? Can we just talk about how deep, oh my god, Mahogany is in the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and how Mahogany entire looks? Can we just, like, future Leon, when you're editing, just put up the 2. Can I just talk about that? Okay. Anyways, I'm going to use this to contour. Going to go in with setting the highlighted areas, and I'm using, of course, my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Where are you? Sasha Buttercup setting powder. set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder, and this is in the shade 800 Cocoa. So guys, the next step is the contour, and I'm going to use the shade Aphrodite from the Makeup Geek Jhen MUA collab. So now we're going to go into brows. You can do your brows how you'd usually do it. I'm going to do mine off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, brows done. I like to go in with, before I move on, I like to go in with a clear a clear mascara, just to set the brows in place. I know some of us have stubborn brows. My brows are stubborn sometimes, like the hairs just get all over the place. So I like to go in with clear mascara to set them. So our lids are prepped. By prepped I mean I added concealer and I set it with the same Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to now go in with my eyes. The eyes are very simple. You just need like one shadow and your bronzer. First I'm going to go in with Morocco, of course, from the Juvia's Place Medium 2. You guys know this is my go-to transitional shade. Can't do any eye look without this color, I swear. So I'm just going to put it in the crease, just a wash off color, nothing too heavy or too deliberate, just, you know, some warmth in the crease. Don't even want it to look like, I don't want somebody to say, oh yeah man, she have orange on her lips. No. I just want some warmth. So you don't want to leave the eyes bare. I can't do a look and just leave my eyes bare. I need either some warmth or my bronzer or something on my lids. On not my lids, but even my crease. So that's it for one eye. As I said, simple one. For brush, this brush is the Morphe E23. I like this brush. I like the Elite collection from Morphe. Those brushes are sturdy AF and the handles feel really good. Alright, we have that right. So I'm going to go in with my bronzer, the same bronzer, CoverGirl Ebony bronzer, the same bronzer we used on our cheeks. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and hit in pan. Oh, okay. And I'm just going to put this on the outer side of the crease. I'm just going to take this a step further and deepen the outer V a little bit more, and I'm going in with Aphrodite, and this is the same shade we used to contour. So it's like we're reusing the product, we're finding other uses for the product. This is really an eyeshadow, but I contour with it because it's a great shade to contour with. So I'm using, this is the Morphe M139 brush, and it's kind of like a pointed brush. You see that point? The one before was like a fluffy brush. So that's why I'm going to use this just to deepen up this area right there. Great. So after this, if you want to add a lid color, you can, but I don't want to. So I'm going to move on to lining my eyes. did the wing, and you guys can see in the outer V how the dark shadow is kind of cutting, kind of meeting the liner. That's what we want. So I'm going to go in with lashes. I'm using the Cocoa lashes in the style Amore, and I'm going to go in with my duo brush on adhesive. Guys, I don't really have any lashes. For a little bit more assistance, I need to go in with my Benefit Various once I find it. Believe it or not, the eyes are finished. Not yet, actually. We need to add our glow, but we still add the glow. We're going to go in with some blush. And then we're going to go in with glow. Using two glows today. I'm going to go in with the K-pop glow. This is the Colourpop Super Sharp Cheek. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Masterclass, of course. So first is this one, and I'm just going to put this one on my cheek. NY Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. I'm going to just put a little bit of the Diva on top, because this one is kind of lighter than Monte Carlo. So guys, this is the final look. A really simple glam. I mean, I need to touch her now. Guys, let me know what you think about the look in the comment section below. And this is a perfect look for Valentine's Day. I mean, if you don't want to go overboard and do the whole lashes, you don't have to. You can coat your lashes with some mascara. And if you don't have the time to do the bag of eyeshadow and whatever, this is perfect. I feel like once you have skin down, once your skin is flawless, it don't matter what you do to your eyes. Or, I mean, the most you need is probably mascara. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to be a part of my little family here. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. And I must take this off to record the next video. Nope.
Guess that you just know one. Another soul is broken. It's always kind of funny how you find out how they're coping. So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed. I said, listen,